Watch as we unveil how the Holt experiential team brought the Gilbarco Veeder-Root vision to life at the NACS, National Association of Convenience Stores, show in Atlanta, Georgia. The Greensboro, North Carolina-based premier supplier of the world's leading fueling and convenience store equipment and technologies company required two different divisions to be featured separately at the same trade show. Holt Experiential brought the product lines to life by designing and fabricating two different custom island exhibits with the same brand identity. The 50 by 60 foot exhibit promoted fuel dispensers, a visible landmark at every convenience store. 10 fuel dispensers around the perimeter were featured in an open layout inviting attendees to experience the latest technology provided for dispensing fuel and marketing convenience store products. The 30 by 50 foot custom exhibit championed automatic tank gauging and fuel management systems. Experiential presentations highlighted microbial growth in tanks, 3D working displays, touch screens, live demonstrations, Facebook live streaming videos, and large vertical LED screens to promote branded video messages. Over 23,000 attendees had the opportunity to interact with Gilbarco Veeder-Root employees and products over the 4-day show. Are you ready to bring your ideas to life with Holt Experiential?